Dreaming of a nursing career in the heart of New York? We know the NCLEX application process can be overwhelming, but don't let it hold you back. We're here to guide you through every step so you can focus on what truly matters, your future as a New York nurse. The NCLEX New York is your key to unlocking a world of opportunities in this incredible city. It's a challenging exam, but with the right preparation and support, you'll be ready to excel. Let's break down the application process into manageable steps. First, secure those official transcripts from your nursing school. Then conquer the NYSED application itself. It's all about attention to detail. Finally, schedule your exam at a convenient Pearson VUE center. But here's the game changer. NEAC is here to centralize the entire process. We've helped over 76,000 medical professionals achieve their dreams. Imagine having a dedicated team handle the paperwork, ensuring everything is hassle-free and mistake-free while you focus on acing the NCLEX. Don't let complicated application process stand in your way. NEAC is your partner in success. We'll help you navigate the complexities, avoid costly delays, and fast-track your journey to becoming a New York nurse. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Contact NEAC today for a free consultation. Let us handle the stress so you can focus on your success. Your future in New York nursing starts now.